Now let us see how muscle contraction or how the movement will occur. So during muscle contraction, the myosin head or the cross bridge, I'll show you, this is the myosin head. Can you see this part? So during muscle contraction, the myosin head or the cross bridges, they come in close contact with the thin filament, that is with the actin. So myosin filament, myosin head or the cross bridge, they will come in contact with the actin. See here students, this red part, this was our myosin, right? And this blue color line here and here, these are the actin. This is in relaxed stage. So when muscle contracts, this myosin head or the cross bridges, they come in contact with the thin filament, that is with the actin, and this occurs in presence of energy, that is in the form of ATP. So thin filament, they are pulled towards the middle of the sarcomere. So here the thin filament are present, right? So these are pulled. Can you see this arrow? So they are pulled towards the sarcomere. This was the sarcomere. So the thin filament are pulled towards the middle of the sarcomere. The Z line attached to the actin filament is also pulled, leading to the shortening of the sarcomere. So this was our Z line. If this actin was attached to this Z line, this border, so if actin is pulled, the Z line will also pulled from this direction. Also Z line will pull. The actin will also will move towards inside. So as a result, this will result in shortening of the sarcomere. This length was sarcomere, right? If actin is pulled towards inside, Z line is also pulled. So sarcomere is shortened, right? So as a result of which, the H zone, which was present here, where no actin was present, only myosin was present, that was the that was the H zone. So as a result of this contraction, the H zone used to disappear. Now the myosin filament, this was myosin, they slide over the actin. During contraction, since actin is pulled towards inside, so the myosin filament, they slide over this actin. You can see in this diagram during contraction. So the inside portion, that is the myosin, and this outside blue color is our actin. So what will happen? The myosin filament is sliding over the actin filament, and this causes the contraction of the muscles. So this is all about movement by muscle.